Hey, today we're going to clean the window. I'm doing the bathroom window simply because I'm in here after doing a couple of other videos, and I thought I would take you through it because today for me is window cleaning day. So what products do you need? You need your bathroom or your all-purpose cleaner or whatever cleaner you've chosen to use around your house. Please see my introductory video for that. A glass cleaner. I use Mr. Muscle window and glass streak-free shine. Looks like that. It tends to be green. Most glass cleaners are green or blue. Excuse me. Window lean is also another good one. And you want your trusty microfiber cloth. You'll probably need a couple of these. I've left another one downstairs, but yeah, we'll cope with first. First and foremost, you need to clean off everything that is on your windowsill. So we're going to do that, and then we'll get on with the actual cleaning. I need to get in the bath for this, so excuse me. One way you can make this, I'm really sorry, I'm going to be like, come on camera, there we go. One way you can make this job easier for yourself is if you tend to use your windowsill as a storage shelf for your bottles and stuff, is to buy little boxes to keep it in, and then when it's time to move it, you're literally just picking up the boxes and moving them rather than picking up a ton of individual bottles, okay? And when I do this, because my bath is under the window, I store them all in the bath while I'm cleaning. It just makes life easier, and it means I can reach it all afterwards. Waiting for the camera there to focus on me. Okay, so that's now done. I have a clean windowsill and I have a clean area. Now, which way do you do it? It's really a matter of preference. It really is. I'm going to start off by doing the glass first, okay? Because if the glass is particularly dirty, it is then going to run onto these bits and make that dirty. So let's do the glass first. You want your glass cleaner and you simply spray. Then you get your cloth, scrunch it up in your hand and just give it a nice quick wipe. Like so. Do that on all of the, wrong one, do it on all of the windows, and let's get them nice and clean. I should have filmed this at night really, shouldn't I? And then the camera won't keep focusing on the light behind me. Next, you want to clean your PVC. This is assuming you have PVC windows, okay? I'm not going to go into cleaning other types of windows because I don't have them. So yeah. So basically you are going to spray down one area of the PVC and you're going to wipe it, just like you did on the rest of the bathroom. Now, after a while, your cloth will get quite damp and you'll probably find you don't need to use as much product because your cloth is already damp, okay? You want to go around your windows, stretch where you need to, kick everything out of the way, and go up to the glass. If it's a window you have open a lot, make sure you do like this area where the two parts of the frame meet, because that will get really, really dirty, okay? Another way you can do it is to spray your cloth directly, okay, if you're a bit worried about getting product everywhere. Something you might want to consider when you are doing all of this is to make sure you are in a well ventilated room, because at the end of the day these are cleaning products, okay, and you don't want to asphyxiate yourself. While they're safe, it's still probably not the best thing in the world to be inhaling. And windows for some reason have this extra little sort of groove in them, which gets bloody filthy. I never really understood why they have them. So you might need to get your nails in it, or, you know, if you have a brush, use a brush to get in all these little nooks and crannies. And one of the best brushes in the world for things like that, believe it or not, is a denture brush, and you can pick those up in Poundland too. Then spray your windowsill and give that a good polish. So again, you know, you've got this like little lip where dirt sort of tends to collect, so clean that as best you can. And then if your cloth is still moderately dry, or you know, had the foresight to bring a second cloth up, just give it a nice polish over to get rid of any streaks or anything like that. And Bob's your uncle, that's your window clean. Okay? This now needs to go in the wash. If you have decorative items on your windowsill, they're probably the bane of your existence, but give them a quick wipe off before they go back up. Make sure there's no dead flies on anything, because dead flies seem to love bathroom windows, don't they? Have you noticed? You'll probably find you'll need to rinse your bath out afterwards. I should have cleaned the windows before I cleaned the bath, but I didn't. I did the videos in the wrong order. So that now gives me a nice clean window, a nice clean windowsill. The whole area is lovely. The glass is clean, the frame is clean. It's important to do the frame as well, because otherwise it just will look rubbish. Okay. I'll probably think of 10 million things when I press the stop button. I always do. Anything else I can think of, I'll write it down. But yeah, that's it. 3 quick videos on how to do your bathroom, and you should be about done by now. That's one room done. Move on to the next one. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please don't forget the like or a comment. If you have any questions, leave those down below. I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel and stick this playlist in your liked videos or your watch later videos or whatever, so that you can easily find it again. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.